We often think we need a break from life, but sometimes what we really need is a break from overstimulation. The moment nature becomes louder than notifications, something inside us softens. At Anantya, the rain, the greenery, and the silence felt therapeutic. Silence is not empty, it's where mental clarity returns. From outdoor adventures to indoor games, Anantya gave us space to reconnect, play, and simply enjoy the moment. Rain outside, hot food inside, the perfect combination. Good food tastes even better when shared in peaceful places. Not every healing moment is quiet though. Sometimes it's loud laughter during an off road ride, muddy roads, unexpected bumps, and childlike excitement. Standing at the viewpoint with clouds floating around us, everything suddenly felt lighter. Green spaces reduce the noise inside the mind. The brain stops processing survival and starts processing meaning. And maybe that's what Anantya really gave us. Not just a vacation, but a pause our minds truly needed.